Bad hair day. Okay, so business. So we got the bar set up. Okay, got it laid up there. We got the angles cut and capped. Ooh, missed a couple of spots. I'll have to retack that or not. Okay, so just as perfect planning goes, it's going to land on the rivets. I knew that. Well, it wants to it wants to rock, so we got to deal with that. Also, the two bolt holes on the other side land on rivets, so I couldn't have planned that if I tried to plan that. So what I'm going to do is bolt this side down so that side can't move. I already drilled the rivets out over there, so the holes don't line up perfectly, of course. So we'll get this side bolted down, and then I'll go back over there and drill that other side out. So just something that I'll take the extra time to do, because I'm going to be bolting that on and off several times to get everything fitted up and mating right. So I got some bolts, old bolts here, and some Knuts, and so I want this to I want the nuts and bolts to work really well. So guess what? Yes. So we got this nut set up in our cranberry vise here, and we'll get the tap started really well. And then you know what I'm going to do, don't you? Huh? You know what I'm going to do. Whoop! Just because it's black and yellow doesn't mean it's the right tool, right? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I know. I see you rolling your eyes. Don't do it. Like you guys have never done this? Come on. So, just, yeah, it's square here on the end. Oh, well, whatever. Just be really careful. Snug it up. Go really slow, variable speed. Okay, it gets really tight right there for some reason on this tap. And these taps are junk. Man, you can see how they're already rounded off. Oh, so you know what's happening. These are already rounded off, and these up here are good and clean. Man, actually looks like it's kind of... Well, I don't like that any. Yep. Whoops. Don't do it. Don't ever start, with the drill. Always start them by hand so you can feel it. Man, I don't know what's going on there. That does not... Boy, that's pulling hard. Yeah, that's not good. Well, not good. Dadgummit. What are you going to do? See, these are kind of old and really dirty, but they're these, what in the world? They're these kind of oddball size. They're oversized head. They're not your typical 3/8. I wonder if they're... Maybe there's something else going on here that... because that should just thread right up in there. Okay, here's one that I did a minute ago. Okay, that's nice. That's how I want it. Because if I'm going to be taking them on and off several times to get the fitment and all that, I want these things just to spin on and spin off. I don't have to want to put a wrench on there and fight them. So, something is not right. I bet it'd probably be fine if it wasn't for the cranberry vice. Yeah, I know. I should lube it. Boy, it gets tight right there. Well, that's gooder. For show, for show. So, there we go. All right. So, evidently, the tap is so worn out in the front that nothing is cutting up in the front. It's only the back threads. So, I need to get a new 3/8 tap. Way gooder. Way gooder. Oh, seriously? Battery's going dead. Wow. I ran through a lot of batteries today. Okay, you know what? I'm going to run that all the way through. That way I know the good threads go all the way through the Canuck. Gooder. Yeah. All right, good deal. So we'll bolt that sucker down and get those holes drilled, and then I think I can stick that the top rack on and tack it up, weld it up. And naturally, I ran out of wire. I was running the 030. I want to say dual shield. It's not dual shield. Flux core. So I ran out of that. So I'm scurrying around, looking around. I try to always keep an extra roll on hand. And I didn't because the last couple of hardware stores, all they had was 035. I don't want 035. And so I do have some MIG wire. And I've got some, little bottle of gas. So I'll hook that up. and finish it off with gas. Alrighty, cool, cool, cool. I might get this sucker done tonight, and then oh man, I'd really like to get it painted tonight, but I don't know. I'm starting to get hungry, and I'm getting tired.